Good evening, guys, or in this case, good morning, because it's about 1 o'clock in the morning over in the UK. But this here, today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a ei166rc optical smoke alarm. I bought this smoke alarm a few weeks ago, and I've been meaning to do a video on it. So this smoke alarm, they're just the best. EI Electronics, ACO, they're just the best alarms in the world. And as you can see, I have got another 166 with a radio link base on it, which I've shown off in previous videos, but I will activate this in this video to show it off. So let's get stuck into this box and see what we got then. So this alarm, the box is a little bit shabby on it. The box is a little bit shabby, but it's definitely not the worst I've ever seen. It's especially for an alarm as old as this is. It's pretty good, to be honest with you. Let's get the blooming thing out of the box. So this was saying this alarm is, it's the 166rc. It's got a rechargeable lithium cell in it, which I don't really like, to be honest. There's a little top of the where the hook would be to hang it on a shelf. These are the instructions. So let's have a look here. Don't really need the instructions though. So let's pop those pop this to the side. That's the box. That's the side. That's the other side, and there's the back. I hope to get one of these switches at some point as well and demonstrate that. So let's have a look what we've got. Righty ho. Obviously, sticky put on the breaker panel for it. Fixings and screws, and then we got the main alarm over here. Sorry guys, I keep moving my foot because it keeps going dead because I'm sat in a funny position. So as you can see, as I was saying, this is a 10-year rechargeable alarm. This is brilliant. So it's pretty much the same thing as that. It's pretty much, as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing as this. They're basically identical, but the main key difference obviously is that one's older. This one, expired in June 2017, so that one's much older than this one is. So let's actually have a look. Back, ei166rc, replaced by May 2025. That one there is, that one over there, this one here is basically, oops, I didn't mean to hit that then. This one here is basically, is almost 10 years expired. This one is literally just only a year expired. So, and this alarm's never been installed before. So, yes, it is a pretty nice alarm. So, yeah, we will, I'm going to demonstrate this today. So I'm just going to pop it, I'm just going to wire it onto that base there. I'm not going to show it because it's going to be pretty boring, so I'll just wire this up and then I'll be back. So see you in a bit. Right, so we're back a lot quicker than I expected, and we have the alarm all wired up. So let's just slide this onto the base and click it on. It should chirp, maybe not. It did chirp slightly. It's just clicked on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. Where should we put it? Oh, just up there. Pop it. Can we? Oh, oops. I didn't like the sound of that. Oh, no, that's alright. Okay. Let's put it just up here. We'll hang it. It'll hang. Please don't fall down or I'm going to cry. I don't really trust it. But anyway, let's plug it in and see what it does. So just pop it into the wall. Here we go. There we are. So the alarm is now on. we will give it a test just by pressing the button. We'll give it a test by pressing the button, just for the hell of it. We'll test it on the button. So if you're going to be watching past this point, make sure you turn down your volume because it's about to get loud. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice alarm. I like that alarm. So next, let's try some smoke. Now this should definitely go off because this one should be fairly sensitive. So there we are. That should do it. There we are. There we are. Well, that worked and reacted pretty quickly compared to my other alarms. That reacts surprisingly quickly, and my smoke saver obviously does a really good job. So let's actually demonstrate the smoke saver here. Let's do the cool fly out thing. There you are. That's satisfying to do as well. Anyway, so I hope people enjoyed this video. This is just kind of a little short video because it's not really kind of that basic of an alarm. It's not really that special of an alarm. It's kind of very basic, and there's not a lot of, it's just a very basic alarm. It's not got a lot of features like, you know, like this one did or anything like that. Actually, to be honest with you, to end this video, we'll give this one a test. We'll just give one a test. Sorry, I've got a dry throat. Anyway, we'll just give this one a test just for the sake of it, and we can see the yellow LED on it as well then. So, on the radio link base that RW Security Services will like to see. So here we go. The yellow LED on the radio link base, which is pretty cool. I do like that myself. I like the yellow LED. It is flashing, I think, every 10 seconds to signify the battery's dead, sadly, but the battery cells are just, I think they're just low. I don't think they're kind of dead because it works without, as you can see, it's not got the plug. It's not on the plug, so, I mean, it doesn't flash. It's weird, actually. It's not flashing at the moment. It kind of just flashes once and then that's it. It might be, though, because it's been on charge, but it is definitely the older model. You can see it's the ei166. Oh, it just flashed then, so it's, yeah, unfortunately the battery cells don't hold a very good charge due to the age, but I mean it's not gonna, because considering the thing expired almost 10 years ago, I'm surprised it even still works. 2017 that radio link base and the alarm was supposed to be replaced, but yeah, as you can see, it's flashing every 10 seconds. Shame, but oh well, it can't all work, can it? So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I want to give a shout out to another shout out to RW Security Services, and I want to give a shout out to YFA Electrical, and I also want to give a shout out to Hobby Productions 19, and happy belated birthday to you, because I was going to make a video last night, but I just didn't get around to it. By the time I got myself into action, I just didn't do it, so it was late. So yeah, happy belated birthday to Hobby Productions 19. Hope you had a good birthday, and yeah, I can't wait to see some more videos. Anyway, that'll do that one. Thank you very much for watching.